So wasn't it tempting to hear this sizzling sound of this high protein, delicious, power packed, loaded with great antioxidant dish? Yes, today I'll be sharing this delicious recipe of quick, easy, nutritious chili chicken recipe, that too in my style, which not only saves you lots and lots of energy and time but also enhances the flavor of the chicken loaded with veggies and flavors. So let's make this 30 minutes recipe perfect for lunch, dinner, brunch, or also you can use this as a substitute for wraps or sandwiches. Do try this recipe, you will love with the flavors. Hey guys, I'm Subhankari and I welcome you all to my channel Source Food Corner English, and I hope you all are doing great in your lives. If you are new to my page, do subscribe to my page and do not forget to tap the bell button. Thank you all for loving my channel so much and liking my videos. Let's begin with the easy peasy recipe of chicken chili. Here I have taken 500 grams of chicken, cut into small pieces. I have nicely washed them, patted it dry. Here goes one full whole egg, and to this I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste. You can also include some green chili paste or red chili paste at this time. And here I have added cornflour around 4 to 5 tablespoons, red chili flakes according to your taste, black pepper powder. You can also add some white pepper powder and some salt according to taste to give them a nice mix. Here's an extra added bonus tip. You can also add some soya sauce at this stage, and so you can adjust accordingly the amount of salt, but I have excluded it. I have only added salt. You can also include soya sauce. I'll give it a mix and leave it for just 10 to 15 minutes. That's it. If you are making this process in a quick way recipe, then 15 minutes is okay. Otherwise you can keep for half an hour to 1 hour. So once it's marinated, I'll nicely shallow fry them. I have taken a nice deep vessel, heavy bottom pipe vessel, added some cooking oil, and nicely I'll fry them for around 7 to 8 minutes on each side so that this turns out nice crunchy golden brown. And as I have not included soya sauce, this will be on the lighter version of golden color. If you can add soya sauce, you want to add soya sauce, the color will definitely change. So that's it. Some veggies I have already prepared and cut and prepared, and here I have fried all the chicken. 15 to 20 minutes all it takes for this preparation. My chicken chunks are nicely fried. You can see a perfect golden brown and crunchy. You know what? These chicken chunks can nicely be enjoyed at this stage also. And in the pan I have removed some excess oil. 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil was remaining. So to this I have added some chopped garlic, ginger and green chili. Once it is nicely sauteed, I'll be adding nicely shelved onions. You can also add red onions. Make sure the whole point is that at this point all the processes need to be done in high flame so that the veggies don't overcook. We still want to retain the crunch. After sauteing for just 1 to 2 minutes in high flame, I'll be adding some green chili sauce, some red chili sauce, tomato sauce and some soya sauce. In high flame I'll give them a mix. A very nice aroma has now just around my home. Do try this recipe, you will love with the flavors. Then I have added the fried chicken chunks, the veggies, basically the 3 types of pepper. You can also add only green pepper, all the basic seasonings, salt, black pepper powder, and I have also included some white pepper powder. Make sure you put the right amount of salt because we have already added some soya sauce. Give it a mix. And not to forget, all this process is still done on high flame so that the veggies don't get soggy. Saute everything in high flame for more 2 to 3 minutes, and then it's time to add the cornflour slurry. After adding the cornflour slurry, I'll reduce the flame to medium and nicely toss this so that it coats around all this beautiful chicken, veggies, and it literally absorbs all these flavors. Just look at the consistency and the texture of this quick dish. So now it's time to enjoy the taste. So here I have plated this delicious looking, beautiful, packed with antioxidants, crunchy, flavorful chili chicken. Best part is that this recipe can be enjoyed with some rotis or Indian flatbread like parathas, Fried rice goes best with some wraps or as a stuffing in some roll. You can modify this with some noodles. Any way you take them, this tastes heavenly. If you have loved my video, do give a thumbs up, share with your family and friends, and do not forget to subscribe to my page. So you can also follow Sue's Food Corner English on Instagram and Facebook. See you in next video. Till then, stay safe, love life, and happy fooding.